The first thing that we need to have to start the MCP server is an MCP Server Node in N8N. Now let's learn what this server trigger has. This is the MCP URL. To understand the configuration, let us remember the example we are discussing about how MCP works. It's like you ordering a dish to a caterer for your dinner. So the server is like the shop of the caterer, and you are the client which is consuming his services. So if you are setting up a server trigger, it's like you setting up a shop of yourself where people can visit. And this MCP URL is the address of that site on which if people click, they can connect with your shop, with your MCP server. This is a test URL, and if we proceeded to a production URL, we can give it to people and they can access our MCP server. We can also add authentication, but for now we are not adding it. And by default, N8N gives a path to the URL also. The path is like the URL is like a neighborhood, and the path is the specific house in that neighborhood or a room in that in the house. So you can name the rooms of the house by yourself also. I can say API path, and this is going to be added in my production URL.